Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're at Tartu. We're at Bite Stop. In a few minutes the car meet will start. There's gonna be a gathering today, so I've never been to Tartu's meets. I decided maybe let's come by, let's see what they have, and maybe there's some cool cars. I hope so, at least. As you can also tell, I've been through a few mental breakdowns. That's why I did change in style, but that's a topic for another day. Well, I'll wait for a few cars to come here and let's get some shots.
Say I'm good-hearted, but I'm just getting started. Got my eyes on the target. No, no. Till the battle's won, till kingdom come. I'll never run. Best to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty. Best to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty. They'll be calling me royalty.
I've been here for like half an hour now. Not a lot of cars have yet showed up. There's some like, as you can see, it's kind of filling up, but it's pretty basic right now. I'm still hoping there's some more like fun cars to see. I hope, at least. If I see something, I'll let you know.
They say I'm dangerous, 'cause I broke all their cages. No, I won't sit and take it. No, no. They left me for dead, I guess I'll never learn. Every time I break, there's just more pain to burn. They'll never, never, never learn. Till the battle's won, till kingdom come. I'll never run. Best to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty. Best to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty. They'll be calling me royalty. They'll be calling me royalty. Till the battle's won, till kingdom come. Till the battle's won, till kingdom come. I'll never run.
At this point, I'm almost giving up because like this is what I have to see. This is the meet. I hope there's better cars coming. I really do. Because the coolest thing I've seen so far is a E30, so that says a lot. Okay, never mind, I take it back. Just finally something cool coming. slowly building. So just got the location for the track, heading there now. Hopefully some cooler cars show up. There's been a few add-ons now. It seems like people are gathering more. Maybe there will be some more cars there, so see you guys there. On to spot number 3 now, because the second place was just a meetup and maybe a little bit drifting. Now we're going to the drag strip. As you can see, we made it to the drag strip. It's diesel versus diesel, mostly some BMWs, some Audis. Let's see. Damn, that intake noise though. Well, the police just came, shut everything down. Time to head out. So my hair is a mess, don't bother with it, it's okay. But I think I've seen enough. Wasn't that exciting, but at least I get to see always the BMW guys. At least I get to see some of Tartu's nightlife. And I hope you enjoyed, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.